putting contact lenses on and taking them off becomes easier with practice. The more you do it, the better you'll get, and before you know it, you'll be an expert. It might feel that there's quite a bit to remember, but don't worry, we're here to support and guide you, and after a few days' practice, you'll feel confident handling your MiSight one-day contact lenses. Let's get started. You'll need your contact lenses, some soap, a well-lit mirror, and a non-fluffy towel. Wash your hands well with the soap and rinse carefully with water. Now completely dry your hands with the towel. It's really important you dry your hands properly because water should never come into contact with your contact lenses. Never allow water to come into contact with your contact lenses as this can cause serious eye infections. This means no swimming, showering or any other water-based activities while wearing contact lenses. Just to be clear, always wash and completely dry your hands before handling your contact lenses. It's a good idea to make it a habit to start with the same eye each time, so let's start with your right eye. Separate one of the lens containers from the strip, peel back the foil and remove your lens from its container. Place your lens on the very tip of your right index finger. Take a look at the lens to check to see if it's the right way round. It should look like a bowl sat on the very tip of your finger, facing upwards. It's not always easy to tell, so if you're unsure, try placing the lens on the crease of your hand like this and look at the shape of the lens as you move your little finger. If it's the right way round, the lens should curl inwards. If it's the wrong way round, the edges may flatten. This next stage can take a little time to master because it's completely normal for you to blink when something goes near your eyes, but don't worry and just take your time. Use your towel to dry your fingers to help you grip your eyelids. Raise your chin slightly so that you're looking down into the mirror. Using your left index finger, lift your right top eyelid by holding where your lashes meet your eyelid. With your right middle finger, pull your bottom eyelid down. To test that you've got a firm hold, try and blink, only your left eyelids should move. Now, concentrate on keeping both eyes open and look straight ahead into the mirror. Sometimes, it can be helpful to place the mirror on a flat table and lean over it to help the lens stay put on your finger. In slow motion, bring your right index finger carrying your contact lens towards the coloured part of your eye, making sure that you keep a secure grip on your eyelids. If the lens flattens against your finger or you lose the grip of your lids, just stop, make sure the area around your eye and fingers are dry and start again. You can practice this stage using a contact lens comfort drop on your index finger, without a contact lens at first, to get used to where your fingers need to go. Once you feel the lens on your eye, very slowly move your right index finger away from your eye, but keep hold of your eyelids. Look up, left and right to squeeze out any air bubbles. Look down and slowly let go of your bottom eyelid. Look straight ahead and slowly let go of your top eyelid. Slowly and gently let go of your eyelids so they don't squeeze the contact lens out before it's had a chance to settle. Now blink several times to help settle the lens in place and repeat these stages for your left eye. You're all done. You can get on and enjoy your day. Your MiSight one-day lenses should be worn for at least 10 hours a day and for 6 to 7 days a week to help slow down your prescription changes. Always follow the advice of your eye care professional and make sure you attend your regular checkups wearing your MiSight one-day contact lenses and bringing your glasses with you. If your eyes look red or feel uncomfortable, wear your glasses and speak to your eye care professional. Don't wear your contact lenses if you are unwell. And remember not to let any water near your lenses. If you require further information or guidance, please contact your eye care professional. When you're ready to remove your contact lenses, you'll need some soap, a well-lit mirror, and a non-fluffy towel. Wash your hands well with the soap and rinse carefully with water. Now completely dry your hands with the towel. It's really important you dry your hands properly because water should never come into contact with your contact lenses. Never allow water to come into contact with your contact lenses as this can cause serious eye infections. This means no swimming, showering or any other water-based activities while wearing contact lenses. Just to be clear, always wash and completely dry your hands before handling your contact lenses. Let's start with the right eye. Look straight ahead into the mirror and check that the lens is resting on the coloured part of your eye. Using your left index finger, lift your right top eyelid out of the way by holding where your lashes meet your eyelid. With the middle finger of your right hand, pull your bottom eyelid down. Again, keep a firm hold and concentrate on keeping both eyes open and look straight ahead into the mirror. Now lower your chin so that you're looking up slightly into the mirror. This creates more space to remove your contact lens. Looking straight ahead, slowly bring your right index finger towards the lens. Press gently but firmly onto the surface of your contact lens and slide the lens downwards onto the lower white part of the eye. It's safer and easier to remove your lens from the white part than the coloured part of your eye. Using your thumb and index finger, bring the edges of the contact lens together in a gentle but firm pinching movement. If you find this difficult, you can try stroking the lens downwards until it reaches your bottom eyelid and remove the lens from there. Once you've removed your contact lens, all you need to do is simply throw it in the bin and repeat these stages for your left eye. Then you're all done.